I saw flame frog from the distance. I had to kill this guy or else he would be the one killing me. I'm Clown Pierce, known as the strongest player in the server. I need to kill this guy. We'll fight. Hang. Kill this guy or else. If you don't kill this guy right now, I'm gonna be the one who's gonna kill him. Ding, 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 ding. Videoran ako niya, kidugi kini mo man. Di ka na wibay lang. I was greatly surrounded. Fighting flame frog was the worst, deadliest thing I'd ever done in my life. Ding, 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 lang. Mike, you're trying to. This guy is so powerful. If I don't go out here quickly, Flame Frog could have defeated me. You would get defeated me before. Abri na di ay? Ha? I had to go to the forest so that Michael would fight me. Do not get over. It's our second rematch before, and I'm stronger him before, but now he's just too powerful. If I don't go around, if I don't run here quickly, this might be my last opinion. Fight. This knockback is so ugly. Don't get that, bro. This is so ugly. If I don't kill Flame Frog quickly, I'm running out of resources. Script by Nibble. This is so bad. I'm running out of resources. And Flame Frog is just too powerful. I had to win this fight or else. Flame is just too powerful. Bro, you're so kind. Gilakag sa iyang own pamilya. I'm losing to this battle, as you can see. Wala ba ganin na open ang pirtahan? Sulod mi dira, klase na dayon. Look at this. I'm losing to this battle. Flame is just too powerful. Flame is too powerful to be killed. Counters is strong, but I'm the deadliest player in the server. As you can see, I'm clearly losing at this battle. My second option is here is just to kill. Survive and kill. Look at this, I'm looking to the back. I'm losing to the battle. Look, I'm running out of prisoners, bro. I just revved myself, bro. Flowana sir. It's already getting dark and I'm trying to lose. And I'm already losing. Cute. I cannot see clearly where's Flame Frog because it's so dark. Now I can see clearly. I should admit myself defeated. I should run away. I'm losing to the battle. If I don't go out clearly. Sinula pa gani mic ba? This is my opportunity to strike. Wait, I surrendered. I cannot win you. You're just too powerful. Just too powerful.
Tingil court.
It's gonna end decades. But I am not that. Ikaw. Scripted ba rin eh? Dili na ba di ba ni scripted? Ilit ba ning kontra? Tugay gini. Pati pagid wala pa gini crit. I'm losing to this battle. I need to surrender. Flame, I surrendered. I'm gonna surrender. I'm running out of resource. If I don't run here quick, I need to run. There's nothing I can do to that battle. I'm running out of resource. Plus, Flame Frog is just too strong. I have to fight. Oh, you see me again playing. But this time, you were not gonna get lit. I'm not gonna run away. Stop running or else. I'd lost.
I think I don't fix.
Mas gaya mag-split. He's just too powerful. Plus, I have no water bucket. It's the end.